Hey, how's it going, everyone? Check it out. We have some Funko mystery minis from the Star Wars Mandalorian Grogu movie. So I got 4 of these, and I picked them up at GameStop. And if you look on the back right here, it shows you all the characters you can get and then the odds of getting them. So that these right here are probably the rarest. I don't think there's any actual Chase mystery ones. I think it's just the odds of getting something. So these are the more common ones. So I'm hoping we get a Grogu. But one of the 4, this one right here, is like super duper heavy. So I'm hoping it's either this guy right there or this guy right there, one of the super rares. But we'll save that one for last. So anyway, let's open these up. I should have got more. I usually do like 5 or I usually do like an odd number. I'll do like 5 or 7 or something. But for whatever reason, I only bought 4 of these this time. I'm not sure why. But either way, we'll have some fun opening these. I love these little mystery minis. They're always fun to collect. And let's see. Well, they're kind of tough to open for being thin cardboard. They make it awfully tough. Wow. Okay, we did it. Look at, we did it. We got it open. So let's see here. Oh, we're going to need our handy dandy scissors. And let's see what we get. And look at that. We got a baby Grogu. What is he doing? He's like a little bobblehead. What is he holding there? Is that a sandwich? Does Grogu have a sandwich in his hands? That's what it looks like. It looks like he took a little chomp out of the sandwich there. How cute. Look at that. You tap it, his little head wiggles. That's perfect. I'm happy. I don't care what we get now. So we look on the back. This one is it's a common. So it's 1 in 6 right there. But that's okay. He's cute and adorable, so I don't mind. So let's open up the next one here. Wait, we want to make sure we save the heavy one for last. Okay. I'm curious. So now, yeah, I don't really don't have any preferences here. Now that we got the Grogu, I'm good. Though, you know, another Grogu wouldn't hurt. So let's see here. Will this box open easier than the other one? Well, kinda. Okay. Look at that, we got it. Hopefully we just don't get any doubles. As long as we don't get doubles, then I'm okay. We only got 4. So I'm hoping we get 4 different ones. And this one, oh, well, would you look at that? It's Mando. It's perfect. It's perfect. Is this the one with the sword or the base one? Okay, so this is a common one, 1 in 6. And then there's another version right there, which is 1 in 36. So we got Grogu and Mandalorian, little bobblehead. Perfect. We'll set these here. We'll open up this next one. So we've gotten 2 commons so far, which is okay because they look really great. The detail in these are really good. Funko has gotten really nice over the years with their detail and stuff. Now that one opened up perfectly. Look at that. Let's set that out to the side. So this one feels really tiny. This one feels small. And who did we get? Tiny little thing. Oh, who's this little fella? Oh, I can't remember the name of these. Oh, somebody leave a comment down below. Tell me the name of this little fella. What's the odds of getting him? Oh, so he's a little bit more of a rare. He's a 1 in 12. Is there names on the base? Let's check the base. Is there a name on here? No, I don't read anything. But he's a cute little thing. Almost has an Ewok vibe. I think that's what they were going for when they made that character for the movie. And the last one here is the big heavy one. This one's like 3 times as heavy as any of the others. So I'm hoping for the super rare, the monster guy. I'm bad with my Star Wars names right now. But here we go. Oh yeah, I picked up the whole box. I don't know what it is yet, but it's definitely big, whatever it is. Okay. And what did we get? Oh, we got Jabba the Hutt's brother or something. Look at this guy. Yeah, he's huge. Look at the size of him. Here, we'll compare him to the Mandalorian. Look at how much big of a difference that is. He's huge. And then what are the odds of getting this guy again? 1 in 6. So we got one kind of rare, uncommon, and then 3 base figurines. He's awesome though. Look at this, the detail. I don't think anything moves. I think everything's just fixed into place, no moving bits or anything. A little wiggle there. But for the most part, it looks really nice. And I like the fact that they're little bobbleheads. I don't know why. That always makes me giggle with the little bobblehead stuff. So there you go. So we got the little Grogu eating a sandwich. We got the Mandalorian. And we got this little guy who I can't remember the name of this little fella. But he's cute and adorable. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you again next time.